PBS Manufacturing is a powerful, easy-to-use application designed to meet the needs of the smaller manufacturer. If your last company photo looks like this, we're probably not for you. If it looks more like this, then you should keep watching. PBS Manufacturing is designed for smaller companies where employees wear different hats depending on the needs of the day. Maybe they're in assembly in the morning, the warehouse in the afternoon, and in shipping in the evening. Unlike larger systems, PBS Manufacturing provides tools to take complex tasks and allow a single person to get them done quickly and easily so they can keep moving and stay productive. One of the biggest benefits PBS Manufacturing provides for you is visibility. You'll be able to bring all of your key information together in a single system, which means you will have access to it for reporting all in one place. That also means we can use that information to easily provide you with the data you need to make better business decisions. What kinds of decisions? What materials need to be ordered and when? This is critical if you have any hope of shipping orders on time. Which vendors should you be ordering material from? Who's the least expensive? Who can get it to me faster? This may vary from need to need, and our vendor performance numbers can help you make the right decision each time. Which orders should you be working on and when? Keep production productive. Novel idea, right? No more best guess planning. Make sure we're all working toward a common goal of on-time delivery. What needs to be shipping today? Again, we want to ensure we're shipping orders when we promise our customers they will ship to keep them coming back. Here's one big one. How much did it really cost me to make that order? So many companies rely on their financial statements to figure out if they're profitable or not. We have the ability to provide you with that information before an order ever ships. Know your real costs, and you'll be able to determine which product lines are making you money and which ones aren't. Small adjustments in prices or product offerings can make a huge difference in your bottom line, but you can't fix what you don't know. So what are you waiting for? Stop getting by and start taking control of your operation. Visit our website today at www.pbsmfg.com. Then give us a call so we can help you evaluate your needs and determine whether or not PBS Manufacturing can help you improve your operation.